Hello everyone, can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done everyone. Are you ready for another action rhyme? Okay, so remember Miss Rani will say the line and then you join in and then we'll do it bit by bit with our actions and at the end we'll have a complete rhyme. Are you ready? So this is how it starts. It's row your boat across the deep blue sea. Can we say that? Row your boat across the deep blue sea. Do it one more time. Row your boat across the deep blue sea. And then it says, come and row with Snowy and me. Come and row with Snowy and me. Let's put those two together. Ready? Row your boat across the deep blue sea. Come and row with Snowy and me. Let's do that again. Row your boat across the deep blue sea. Come and row with Snowy and me. And then it's row it fast as the big waves splash. Row it fast as the big waves splash. Can we do that again? Row it fast as the big waves splash. Well done. Let's put that together. Row your boat across the deep blue sea. Come and row with Snowy and me. Row it fast as the big waves splash. And then we go boom, bang, boom. What a giant crash. So we go boom, bang, boom. What a giant crash. Can we put it all together? Are you ready? Row your boat across the deep blue sea. Come and row with Snowy and me. Row it fast as the big waves splash. Boom, bang, boom. What a giant crash. Well done everybody. Should we try it one last time? Ready? Row your boat across the deep blue sea. Come and row with Snowy and me. Row it fast as the big waves splash. Boom, bang, boom. What a giant crash. Well done. Did you join in? Did you hear the rhyming pairs? That's always a tricky part, isn't it? So we had row your boat across the deep blue sea. Come and row with Snowy and me. See, me. There are rhyming pairs. And then we had row it fast as the big waves splash. Boom, bang, boom. What a giant crash. Splash, crash. Splash, crash. There are rhyming pairs. Can you think of anything else that rhymes with splash, crash, mash? Miss Rani's favourite. I'll fancy some mash now. Have a think of other words that rhyme with them. Okay, boys and girls, let's see. What should we give ourselves? Let's give ourselves a round of applause. I don't think we've done that in a while. Well done, me. Well done, everyone. And I'll see you again for another rhyme time soon. Can you say bye, bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Bye, bye. Well done. Can you say bye, bye, everyone? Your turn. Well done, everyone. So Miss Rani always reminds you only one video a day, remember? And I'll see you again soon. Bye, bye, everyone. Bye.